Hi everyone! Next year we'll be using the IntelliJ IDE, so this is a guide to downloading and installing it yourself. Start by searching for IntelliJ or go to the JetBrains website here. Click on Download. Select Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. We're not going to use the Ultimate Edition. If you want to pay for it, you could, but we will be downloading the Community Edition, so click Download and wait until it downloads. Once it's downloaded, you can go to your Downloads folder and find the executable file and double-click to run it. If you're on a Mac, it probably isn't called .exe, it's probably called something else, and you probably know what that is. So step through the instructions one step at a time. It's up to you whether you want any of these options. If you want to associate Java files with this program, you could do that. I think that's the only one that I want to do. Okay, here we are close to the end. Let's wait for it to finish. And when you're done, let's go ahead and run it after the installer.